Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I present Kasir from University of Indonesia Membangun Accounting Program. The present my article is corporate governance mechanism and tax avoidance behavior, the role of firm profitability. As introduction, that tax avoidance refer to effort made by taxpayers to minimize their tax liabilities by taking advantage of favorable tax regulation. This may include utilizing income that is subject to final and non-final, where effective tax rate approaching zero. In my article, objection are property and real estate sector because effective tax rate in property and real estate sector is zero. Based on the table, property and real sector is the most aggressive in practicing tax avoidance, which justified its selection as the research object alongside corporate governance factors, including tax avoidance with profitability as a main variable. In framework and hypothesis are institutional ownership affect profitability, the composition of independent board of commissioners affect profitability, institutional ownership affect tax avoidance, the composition of the independent board of commissioners affect tax avoidance, profitability affects tax avoidance, institutional ownership affect tax avoidance, drug profitability, and the composition of independent board of commissioners affects and tax avoidance, drug profitability. NS methodology consists of 22 list companies of period 2019 to 2023 using a process sampling of a total of 45 companies were selected as the sample. Was conducted by IFUS 12 and the Sobel test to examine the mediating effect. Is the result regression model selection, question test 1 and question test 2 choice RAM model. In hypothesis testing model 1, institutional ownership effect profitability is p-value 0.04 under 0.05, and hypothesis 2 not significant. And hypothesis testing model 2, hypothesis 3 significant, hypothesis 12 not significant, hypothesis 5 not significant, and mediation tests are hypothesis 6 mediation exists and hypothesis 7 no mediation. As the question the influence of institutional ownership on profitability, that institutional ownership has a positive and significant effect on profitability, that greater the institutional ownership, the higher the company's profit, due more effective managerial control and oversight. Institutional investitor possesses greater decision-making right, enabling them to enhance profitability through stricter supervision and capital support. Number 2, the effect of composition of dependent board of commissioners on profitability, that the result of the testing and analysis indicated that the composition of the independent board of communication doesn't have a significant effect on profitability. Number three, that the effect of institutional ownership on tax avoidance, that the research findings indicate that institutional ownership doesn't have a significant effect on tax avoidance. Number four, that the effect of the composition of the independent board of commission on tax avoidance. The result of the testing and analysis show that the composition of the independent board of commissioners has an effect on tax avoidance. And number four, the effect of probability on tax avoidance, that the higher the ROI, the greater the profit earned by a company, which is ultimately lead to a higher the tax bundle. And six, profitability is mediating variable between institutional ownership and tax avoidance, that firms with majority institutional ownership have greater control over corporate policies, particularly in enhancing profitability within to support more effective and efficient tax and management strategies. And then number seven, profitability as mediating for variable between the composition of the dependent board of commissioners and tax avoidance, that a higher number of independent commissioners enhance oversight, leading to greater profitability, which support more effective and efficient tax strategy. And at least conclusion, based on the research finding and discussion, it can be concluded the institutional ownership, the composition of independent board of commission, and profitability simultaneously influence tax avoidance. Partially, institutional ownership has a positive and significant effect on profitability, and profitability positive and significantly affect tax ownership. However, the composition of the independent board has no effect on profitability, and neither on this now ownership nor board composition directly affect tax avoidance. My presentation in paper. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.